Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the East Bengaluru's most exciting luxury residential development, Brigade Belvedere, located at Budigiri Cross on Budigiri Main Road. So if you are looking for a premium high-rise community with a world-class architecture, excellent connectivity and a long-term investment potential, then this project is definitely worth exploring. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Brigade Belvedere is a landmark residential development by Brigade Group designed to redefine luxury living in East Bangalore. Spread across approximately 10.75 acres, the project has been conceptualized by internationally renowned architect Ricardo Bofill and introduces the unique bungalow in the sky concept. The idea behind this design is to create homes that offer greater privacy, better natural ventilation, minimal shared walls, and expansive open views, giving residents the feeling of living in the bungalow while enjoying the advantage of the high-rise lifestyle. The development features 5 iconic towers rising up to 43 floors and offers around 1,750 thoughtfully planned residences surrounded by landscape garden, green open spaces, and vibrant community zone. It has been designed for modern families who want a luxurious lifestyle without compromising on comfort, connectivity, or convenience. One of the biggest advantages of Brigade Belvedere is the strategic location at Budigiri Cross. The project enjoys excellent connectivity to Whitefield, major IT hubs, important road networks, and Bengaluru International Airport. Old Madras Road is just about 5 minutes away, while Whitefield and ITPL can be reached in around 20 minutes, and Kempegowda International Airport can be accessed within 30 minutes. With easy connectivity to major employment corridors, the ongoing infrastructure upgrades in the region, the location offers strong potential for both end users and investors. And when it comes to lifestyle amenities, Brigade Belvedere has been designed to provide a complete living experience. Residents can enjoy a grand 25,000 square feet clubhouse, a state-of-the-art fitness center, an outdoor gym, swimming pool for adults and children, landscape garden, and multiple recreation spaces. The project focuses on creating an active, healthy, and socially engaging lifestyle for residents of all age groups. The project offers a wide range of apartment configurations to suit different family requirements. The 1 BHK residences range from 715 to 732 square feet and start at approximately 95 lakh rupees onwards, making them an attractive option for young professionals, first-time home buyers and investors. The 2 BHK homes range from 1,111 to 1,227 square feet and start at around 1.42 crore rupees onwards. For families looking for more space, the 3 BHK residences are available in multiple layouts. The 3 BHK with a 2-bathroom ranges from 1,365 to 1,443 square feet and starts at approximately 1.74 crore rupees onwards. The larger 3 BHK with 3-bathroom ranges from 1,720 to 1,767 square feet and starts at around 2.11 crore rupees onwards. There is also a premium 3 BHK with a dedicated study room spanning approximately 2,013 square feet starting at around 2.54 crore rupees onwards, making it an ideal choice for families who need additional work from home space or flexibility. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.